Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable head tracking for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And firstly, we need to enable Spatial Audio. To enable it, you need to click at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. But you cannot find this at the Apple devices, at least at the settings. And also not all Android phones have this feature in the settings. So you may have it. But if you have it, just enable it, and right here we have head tracking. And it's the same, just tap at the slider if the slider have empty background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!